In this video, I want to show you how to download high-resolution satellite image using Global Mapper and open it in any GIS software. So let's get started. To do that, open Global Mapper, and the first thing to do is to set the projection of your map, which is very important. To do that, come to Tools and come to Configure, then come to Projection down here. Then come to projection and select your projection. In this case, I want geographic. I have selected geographic. I'll click on apply and click on OK. So after I've done that, it is time to bring in the boundary of your study area to make it easier for you to navigate to where you want to download. So to do that, you just need to click on open data file. Then navigate to your working folder and select the study area boundary and click on open. So here is my study area. Here is my study area. Now the next thing to do is to connect to online resource. So to do that, click on this icon to connect to online resource. Then here, scroll down, come to imagery. Here is imagery. Click to expand it. Then select world imagery. Select it and click on connect. This will connect you to world imagery and you can see my study area. So the resolution or how clear it is depends on area. Some area are clearer while some area are not that clearer. So it depends. But this is where I want to download for high resolution satellite image of this roundabout. So to download this area, the high resolution satellite image, after you have loaded it in like this, come to File, come to Export and click on Export Raster Image Format. Click on it. Then select your format. There are many formats here you can select, but in this case I want it as GeoTIFF. This is because GeoTIFF prefer the resolution and also it is georeference. So select it and click on OK. Then it will bring this tip. Just click on OK. Then here you don't need to change anything. However, the export bonds, which is at this place, click on it. You have different options here to export your map. You can load all data or draw a box. If you are drawing a box, select it and draw a box of where you want to export. Then you can also download all the data visible on the screen. But in this case, we want to use layer bounds. Then click on use layer bounds and select your study area and click on OK. Then immediately I do that, you can see the yellow bands show the extent of my study area. So click on OK. It will prompt you to specify where you want to save it. Let's just save it as image and the format is GeoTIFF. Click on save. This will take some time to save it depending on the area extent of the place you have selected and also depending on the strength of your network. So it's a series of processes. You have to be patient for it. So after downloading, you can load it in any GIS software like ArcGIS and QGIS, but let's check the folder. This is it. This is the file we downloaded, image. Now we can open any GIS software. Let's use ArcGIS. Then to load it in, just click on add data. Then navigate to your folder and select the image downloaded and click on add. So this will load in the data or the image we downloaded. And here is it. you can see that we have downloaded high resolution satellite image of our specified area in Global Mapper, and we have opened it in ArcGIS. So you can see, and you can see that it's georeference. So this is the beauty of it. So this is how to download high resolution satellite image in Global Mapper and open it in any GIS software. Thank you for watching.